able to, let me just drag this down there, and I want to create a drawing. And prior to creating a drawing, number one, you have to number the model, or number your structure. So and to number that, you come to drawings and report. Then it's very simple. The perform numbering, and perform numbering, you access it from the main menu. Then you go to submenu, and you go to submenu of perform numbering, click on that drop down arrow and pick the first option, perform numbering. So the moment you you pick on perform numbering, this numbering option will appear, and you go straight and renumber all. Just click renumber all the moment we've done so, and come here and apply and start numbering. So COMOSYS will number the models or the parts you've just created, and just give it some time to do all the numbering. And once it's done, to get a notification that numbering is complete, and we give a nod by clicking OK, like that, then we close. So the moment you close, we can go anywhere here and pick any part and create a drawing from it. So let's pick any, this member here, or this member here, or this member here. Let me just pick on it. So the moment I select on it, I can right click and come to, I can come to create drawings. So I can pick assembly drawing or pick a part drawing. Let me just pick on the part drawing. So I'll just give some time to create the drawing. You can see drawing creation going on. So I think it's done. So if you want to find your drawing that you've just generated, always come to Drawings Manager here and double click on it. So the moment you double click on it, you will be able to find the drawing you've created on the master list here, or Drawing Manager here. So just double click on it. So the moment you double click on it, always try and close this now. And if we zoom it closer, you'll be able to see we have a drawing in place with all the details in place. You can see this very, very nice drawing. We have all the details, position part and the material and the part name, and the number is 1, the length. The net length is 11.68, surface area, all the details are here. Net weight and net weight total, we have 496.39 kg or kilogram. So this is what we have here. You can always go back, and to go back to the model, just you can press Control D. I can press Control D here, and I'll switch back to my model view here. So I can go back and maybe pick assembly drawing, pick on the assembly drawing, and I'll come to drawings here and pick on the assembly drawings, and I'll give it some time to process the drawing right there. Remember, we've done the numbering, and we're now doing some basic drawing creation in COMOSYS. So I think the drawing has been created, and we have to follow it up under Drawings Manager by double clicking on it, and we'll have another list there of a drawing that has been created. So I'll go ahead and double click on that. The moment I double click on that, I'll be able to close that, then zoom out, and I'll be able to see I have my assembly drawings here, though they have been squeezed or scaled down so that we don't overuse the paper size. Remember, you can always customize your paper size, and that will be dealt with in a different topic. So you can see all the details here. The mark is B1, the detail number, you can see that, the quantity specification, quantity pieces or quantity is there, the profile, you can see that, the length, all the detail, the list, assembly mark, all the details are given here. The material list is given there. Now, that is the very basic that is the basic, and this is enough to get you started in COMOSYS from this particular course. So we are moving ahead. I'll take you to advanced level, where we'll be now handling some very, very, very important topics, and I'll be taking you to some very complex models, and you'll be able to learn more from there, and we'll be moving step by step. From there, we'll go to a project-based course, and from there, I think you'll be very confident in handling or working with COMOSYS. I wish you well, and I wish you the best in this particular course, and I hope you've got something and that will be my great happiness to get notice that you managed to get something of this essential course in COMOSYS. Let's meet then on advanced COMOSYS course that is coming soon. Let's meet then. Bye bye.